Benefits of gardening. Gardening is one of the most relaxing and rewarding hobbies a person can have. It doesn't matter if you live in a big city or a small village, anyone can grow plants. You only need a little space, some soil, water, and sunlight. One of the biggest benefits of gardening is that it helps reduce stress. After a long day at work or school, spending time in the garden can calm your mind. The fresh air and the smell of flowers can make you feel peaceful. Many people say that gardening is like meditation. It allows them to forget their worries and focus on something beautiful. Gardening is also a great way to stay healthy. When you plant, water, or pull weeds, you are moving your body. It's a gentle form of exercise that helps you stay active without going to the gym. Studies show that spending time outdoors can also boost your immune system and improve your mood. Another benefit is that gardening teaches patience and responsibility. Plants take time to grow, and you must care for them every day. You need to remember to water them, give them sunlight, and protect them from insects. Watching a seed grow into a flower or a vegetable gives a feeling of success and pride. Gardening can also help you save money. Instead of buying herbs or vegetables from the store, you can grow them at home. Tomatoes, lettuce, mint, and basil are easy to grow, even in pots. When you harvest your own food, it tastes fresher and more delicious. Finally, gardening connects people to nature. Many children today spend too much time indoors with phones and computers. Working in the garden helps them learn where food comes from and how living things grow. Families can spend time together planting seeds, watering flowers, and enjoying the results. In conclusion, gardening is not only a hobby, it's a healthy and rewarding way of life. It helps your body, your mind, and your environment. So, if you haven't tried gardening yet, maybe it's time to get your hands dirty and plant something today.
My ideal garden would be full of colorful flowers and fruit trees. I would plant roses, lavender, and apple trees. I would water the plants every morning and enjoy the fresh smell of flowers. My garden would be a quiet place where I could read and relax. I think taking care of plants would make me happy and calm.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope it helped you practice your English and learn something new. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next lesson. I'd also love to hear from you, so share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means a lot and helps this channel grow. See you again in the next video.